Wildlife. India is also rich in its fauna. It has more than 89,000 of animal species. जो वाइल्ड लाइफ होती है उसे फौना बोलते हैं, और जो वेजिटेशन होता है उसे फ्लोरा बोलते हैं. फ्लोरा एंड फौना. फौना मीन्स वाइल्ड लाइफ, फ्लोरा हमारा वनस्पतियों के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, फ्लावर्स के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द वाइल्ड लाइफ. The country has more than 1,200 species of birds. It is talking about India. They constitute 13% of the world's total. There are 2,500 species of fish, which account for nearly 12% of the world's stock. हमारे जो देश में 1200 स्पीसीज बर्ड्स हैं, ये वर्ल्ड के लगभग 13% हैं, और हमारे यहाँ लगभग 2,500 स्पीसीज ऑफ फिश हैं, जो कि पूरे वर्ल्ड की लगभग 12% है. इट आल्सो शेयर्स between 5 to 5.8% of the world's amphibian, reptiles and mammals. Tiger reserves in India. You can see this is the map of the India tiger reserves. Major tiger reserves you can see: Jim Corbett in Uttarakhand, Dudhwa in Uttar Pradesh, Valmiki in Uttar Pradesh, Gir Forest in Gujarat, Ranthambore in Rajasthan, a number of Periyar in Kerala, Bhadra in Karnataka, Nagarjuna in Andhra. More than that are there, you can see in your book, and you have to identify and locate it in your map. So this will be homework for you. Locate 5 tiger reserves in India on the map of India. Okay, you should move ahead. What government has done? Financial and technical assistance is provided to the many botanical gardens since 1992. Government has provided a help to all the botanical gardens maximum from 1992. Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Bustard and many other eco-development projects have been introduced to save the animals. 89 national parks, 490 wildlife sanctuaries have been set up to take care of natural heritage. 14 biosphere reserves have been set up in the country to protect flora and fauna. Financial and technical assistance is provided to the many botanical gardens. Medicinal plants in India. India has some 2,000 species of plants described in Ayurveda. About 500 of the plants are in regular use. The commonly used plants are Sarpagandha, Jamun, Arjun, Babul, Neem, Tulsi plant, Kachanar. Conclusion. All of you must realize the importance of the natural ecosystem for our own survival. We should end indiscriminate destruction of natural environment. So from this slide the lesson is completed. I think this lesson help you a lot. Now what you have to do, you have to make notes of it, as well as you have to make your mind to conserve your flora and fauna of the country for the sake of yourself and for the sake of upcoming generation also. Thank you very much.